going to be palpating Opponens Digiti Minimi. Now, Opponens Digiti Minimi is going to have the same origin as Flexor Digiti Minimi. So I'm going to start again by finding our piezoform first, rolling off of piezoform, and then heading slightly into the palm of the hand. I'm looking for the hook of Hamate here. Again, the same origin as Flexor Digiti Minimi. So it has the hook of Hamate as well as the flexor retinaculum crossing the palm in this location. Now, similar to Opponens pollicis, this muscle does not cross the metacarpal phalangeal joint, and it's actually going to be going from the hook of Hamate, crossing over and attaching all along the more medial part of this fifth metacarpal. Again, so one origin with quite a broad, long insertion in here. So it's going to cross like so. It's underneath our hypothenar muscles, like flexor and abductor, so it's going to be really challenging for us to feel. Plus, the act of opposition for the fifth is a minor action itself. So it's going to roll this fifth digit into the palm of the hand, grabbing that metacarpal and kind of rolling it forward. One of the ways to cue our person is to try to bring their thumb and pinky finger together. We're not looking for the flexion that is occurring at this metacarpal phalangeal joint, but more so the metacarpal going from this flat position to rolling forward like that. Okay, can you do that one more time for me? Excellent. So I'm going to be on hook of Hamate. You're going to do that one more time, and I'm going to palpate heading medial and all along this metacarpal here, like so. And that will be our muscles palpation. This muscle is, just like all the other hypothenar muscles, innervated by the ulnar nerve.